This video is regarding a society, what is a society and how to get a society registered. So let's start with the proper definition of what is a society. A society is an organization in which a group of individuals with similar interest come together to perform some function related with the society, related with that particular society. So that is called society. The said societies are governed by the Indian Societies Registration Act of 1860, and the said act is amended by the respective states accordingly. The societies are registered and governed as per the said act. Registration of the society is required to promote the fine arts, science, literature, knowledge sharing for a purposeful matter or for the charity. On the other hand, society is also formed for the maintenance of a residential or commercial complex or building, or for creating the apartment association. So these are the definition related with society. There can be many kind of society like housing society. There can be a society which is formed for the public welfare. So an organization that works like government or an NGO to serve the society, it is called society. All right, so now what are the benefits associated with the society registration, we shall discuss. So let's start. The registration of the society lets you do it at large level. You can get aid or funds in legal manner. There are benefits of tax deduction to the donors. Each certified society procure legal status. Society has a legal status. Registered society can legitimately open its current account, can get delegation and regards under the Income Tax Act. Registered society gets legal identification before all forms and authorities. A certified society can sue or suit. Members of the registered society are continuously bound to the same extent as if they had signed the memorandum. Alright, these are the benefits. And now, what is the procedure to get registered a society? So there are three simple steps. One is related with members, second is registration, and third is related with society. For registering a society, the following criteria must be fulfilled. Members, minimum of 7 members for a state society and a minimum of 8 members from 8 different states. One in Delhi is compulsory. Jurisdiction, where the registered office of the society is situated before the district registered in that particular area. Governing Act, the society are governed by the Societies Registration Act of 1986. Property, there should be a property management. The property of the society vests in the name of the society, and the same can be sold as per the terms mentioned in the bylaws of the society. Governing Act, the societies are governed by the Societies Registration Act of 1986. Dissolution of closure. So dissolution as per the bylaws of the society, upon dissolution and after settlement of the old debts and liabilities, the funds and property of the society may not be distributed among the members of the society. Rather, the remaining funds and property must be given or transferred to some other society, preferably one with similar object. So now the next step is board. Executive committee, it should have a president, secretary, vice president, treasurer, general body included all members. And what are the annual compliances? Society must file annually with the registrar of society a list of names, address, and occupation of their managing committee members. These are the procedure. So the next step is, what are the documentation requirement for registration of the society? So at first we need the name of the society, memorandum of association or MOA, which contains the name of the society, registered office and address of the society, the area of its operation, and the objective for which the society is established. And the third is bylaws. The bylaws of the society is considered as the constitution of the society. So it's a very important part of the society, and it contains the role and responsibilities of the executive committee members, which include its president, vice president, secretary, joint secretary, treasurers. It also mentions the qualification of the members, eligibility, terms and termination, and all of the process for the functioning of the society is mentioned in the bylaws. Then you have to provide proof of registered office, rental agreement or ownership documents, ID proof of all the members of the society. It is a mandatory requirement to provide ID proof of all the members of the society and along with two witnesses. It will take 8 to 10 days of drafting the MOU and bylaws of the society. Thereafter, it takes 21 to 30 days for the society to get registered. Why you should choose Lodox? Because our expert can assist you in a filing compliance related with the society. We help you to prepare legal documentation for your society. We assist you in the whole process during the whole process to register your society formally and legally. You can receive funds in organized manner. You may get expert assistant. Other than this, if you have some specific inquiry regarding the society registration, you may fill this inquiry form and contact us by submitting this form. Alright, so these are the information regarding the society registration. Thank you.